Good morning, students. From Standard 8 English Medium, Subject English, Unit 2, Glimpses of the Past. I have already told the story of this unit, Glimpses of the Past. Today, I am going to deal with you the short answer type questions. So, see the questions and listen it carefully. Question number 1. Name the 3 prime ministers of independent India whose pictures you have seen in this lesson. Okay, there are 3 prime ministers of independent India's pictures has given. Okay, see the pictures, first pictures where the singer Lata Mangeshkar sang the song. Which song? Hai Mere Watan Ke Logo. Okay, that picture, the first picture of the unit. Okay, the answer is these 3 prime ministers of India are PT એટલે પંડિત જવાહરલાલ નહેરુ, શ્રી લાલ બહાદુર શાસ્ત્રી and Srimati Indira Gandhi. These 3 prime ministers sat beside the singer. Question number 2. Name 2 things that helped the British to extend their power in 18th century India. Name 2 things that helped the British to extend their power in 18th century India. Answer. The British had superior weapons instead of our Indian kings. Okay? There were the quarrels among Indian princes. These things helped the British to extend their power in 18th century India. So what happened? Our kings, our Indian princes were short-sighted and they took help from this British government, East India Company. They took the help from East India Company. So day by day, our Indian princes were lower than this British, and the British's power superior than the Indian princes because of they have lot of weapons. Okay, question number 3. Why did some people thank God for sending the British? In our country, there are some people who thank God for this Britishers who sent in India from England. Some of not agree with these people, but some of telling the thank to the God. Let's see the answer. Many people had been fed up with the warring kings. Moreover, these kings did not care about their subjects, so they were glad that the English had subdued them. Moreover, the English gave better order and security to the common man. So, many people had been fed up with the warring kings, those who gave order. Moreover, these kings did not care about their subjects. The kings did not care about anything. So, what did they do? So, they were glad that English had subdued them. So, the kings were what? They need help. Moreover, the kings fought with one another. So many times they got help from the Britishers. Moreover, the English gave better order and security to the common man, and instead of that, what the English gave them? Security for the common man. and help the kings. Question number 4. Some people dislike Indian princes, yet they resented the English rule. Why? These people were patriots. They said that the bad kings were at least Indians. They did not like the foreign rule at any cost. The people accepted the kings, whatever and anyhow. Okay, whether they are good or bad, but from the India. But they did not accept the foreigner who ruled in India anyhow. That is why. Question number 5. Name 3 absurd practices which the religious leaders preached in the later half of the 17th century. Okay, let's see the answer. In the latter half of the 17th century, the religious leaders preached absurd practices. 3 of them were, which were they? Untouchability, child marriage, and sati pratha. In the 17th century, these religious leaders talk about untouchability, then the child marriage and sati pratha. Question number 6. What did these religious leaders of the 18th century say about women? Answer. These religious leaders said that all the misery of the world was due to women. They said that the women who died as sati were fortunate. Okay? In the 17th century, they talk about what? They talk about untouchability, child marriage, and sati pratha. And in the 8th one, what the leader said, that the religious leader said that all the misery come from our India, means the world, because of what? Because of the women. The religious leader, they said that women who died as sati were fortunate. Who died for her husband, that was fortunate for man. Question number 7. What did the British think about the Indian of the 18th century? The British said that the natives were unworthy of trust. They called them dishonest. What the British said, the natives, native means from the Indian, they were never trust the Indians. The British never trust the Indians. So they called them dishonest men. Question number 8. What was the condition of the farmers under the British rule during 1765 to 1836? During this period, 1765 to 1836, what happened with the farmers? The condition of the farmers. The farmers suffered greatly. They were very heavily taxed. Sometimes their entire crop was taken as land tax. Even this did not free them of the taxes. If they did not pay, they were sent to jail. Okay, the farmers suffered greatly. If they did not pay the tax, they took all the things. And then, moreover, if they haven't have the money as a tax given to the Britishers, the Britishers officers, without telling anything, they sent these farmers to the jail. Question number 9. How did the British cripple the Indian industry? Answer. The intention of the British was to make maximum profits. So the English goods were imported duty-free into India. The Indian goods were heavily taxed. Consequently, the goods manufactured in India could not stand competition and began to die. Not only this, the British cut the thumbs of expert artisans. Okay, now the condition of the industries. The intention of the British was to make what? Its maximum profit from our country. So, from England to India, without tax, they imported their goods. But in India, the Indian goods were heavily taxed by the Britishers. The goods manufactured in India could not stand competition and they began to die, their companies. Not only this, the British cut the thumbs of expert artisans, those who are expert in their field. They got the heavy taxes, put the heavy taxes of the company and get profit. So, these are the questions. In the next class, I will discuss some more short question answers with you. I hope you understand these question answers. Thank you.